Okay guys, so in the last lecture we worked on the functionality that if there's no user it should show us the register page, else it should show us the login page. But we noticed that the login page and the register page are both the same and we're not getting it in a way that we needed it. Okay, so all we need to do is head back to the register.php, and because this all these css files are coming from the administration folder, so we just need to add the admin folder in front of each and every one of them. Okay, so I'll just select all and write admin forward slash, and guess that's it. Okay, and if there's any image, any image, I guess no image for now, so save that and refresh. Let's see what we have this time around. Okay, so we have it and it looks perfect. Okay, so we just need to add more feeds because this is the register.php, so we need to add more feeds to it. Okay, so I'm gonna head back to my code editor and just leave the class and leave everything. The action is going to be submitting to the includes folder /form underscore handler, okay, /register dot php, which we don't have yet, but we're gonna fix that. Okay, so this place should be the first name. Okay, so I'll just copy, I guess these are the three things, so copy, paste, come on, I don't know what's wrong, first name, copy this, copy, paste. Okay, so this is gonna be the last name, this is gonna be the email, and we have the password, type of the password, and yeah, I think that's it. We just need the first name, the last name. Let's check the database and see what we need. Inside the user, I'll click on it and we're gonna know what we need. I guess we need the first name, the last name, the email, and the password. Those are the required fields. The rest we're gonna add it by default for ourselves. Okay, alright, so that's it. So I'm gonna change the email to a type of email, first name and last name text, and we're gonna add the name attribute. So this is gonna be first name, the last name, add the name attribute, last name, email, also gonna add the name attribute, so this is gonna be email, the password, pwd. Then we're gonna get rid of this remember and forgot password, and we're gonna change this to an input type of submit. Okay, all right, so what else do we need? Okay, we're already having a type of submit right here. Okay, so I'll just get rid of that and add the name attribute, name, and it's gonna be register. Okay, and I'll change the name to register. Then this is gonna be a with a href. Actually we don't need this. Okay, so because we're gonna work on that later, and all we need to do is to add the value of register. Okay, so this is all. I'll get rid of this sublime text. Okay, so come back, come here and refresh. We should get more feeds. Okay, so we have and you know what, the placeholders are not showing, so it's best to add a label there So I'm gonna come back and add some labels right here. I'll just highlight all of them at once, and if you're using Sublime Text, then you can just hit on Control and highlight stuff at once. Okay, so it's gonna be a label, hit tab, and we should have our label. Okay, so I'll just go with first name and come here and change this to last name. This is gonna be email. Okay, and let's see what we have. Refresh, and okay, so we're getting our labels. Okay, probably we should add a break tag to each and every one of them. So I'll do the same thing. BR tab, so we have that on top. Okay, so refresh. Are you not refreshing? Refresh, and it's on top. Probably not on top. I don't know. Did I save it? I did save it. Come back. Okay, so let me just refresh it once more, and I don't know why it's not working, so I'll just inspect it and see what we have so far. Okay, so I'm gonna right click on the reload button and empty cache and hard to reload, and still not working. Anyway, maybe it might be working for you guys, but I don't know why it's not working for me. Alright, so that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to create our includes folder and our form handler folders, and we'll start handling the registration. Okay, then after that we're going to work on the login. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.